Zhuri. Morning. Good morning in all my sunflower glory. So today is Saturday and I'm just doing a quick load of laundry. Zuri had a really hard time this week. We literally had to go to hospital because I was burning up and she was not well, and mommy was scared because she kept howling her stomach and screaming. But anyways, that is over and it's just the weekend and the fever finally broke and my girl is doing a lot better. You better? That's your car. Say cheese. Say cheese. Guys, I just been through a full cycle and my heart, it did shake a little bit but it did not move. Like it rattled, like a little rattle, but it didn't move anymore. So I finally cracked the code. I'm so happy. So guys, those of you, yeah, those of you who think not having TikTok is a personality trait, you are missing out because bye bye. You learn something new day every day, okay? So for breakfast, we having focaccia and apple. Ta-da! So this is it, guys. Oh your gosh. Now pizza, eh? So I'm just gonna cut it in like 4 pieces. And I got this from Checkers yesterday for like 8 rand a piece or 11 rand a piece. I'm not really sure. But it is so good, you guys. It's a cheese and chakalaga. Cheese and chakalaka. And yeah. It's chakalaka, baby.
Not chocolate.
What's it?
It's cheese.
Zhuri says this is pizza. So guys, this is pizza. And then when you're done, it looks like this. Not the most aesthetically pleasing dish, but I love a good arrow. Can you smell? Is it nice? Smell. Yummy. Bottoms up. Hmm? Zuri, why you did this? Why? Explain. Explain for 5 marks. Why you put lotion all over yourself? See? I was just getting dressed. Now look at you. That's wasting, Mama. You mustn't waste it, okay? Okay? Mustn't waste. Mustn't do it again, okay? Okay, excuse me. I think that it's safe to say that I need to get a new swimsuit. Okay, so I'm ready. This is the fit.
I'm ready.
You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
Go.
So let me do a little
Go.
beach bag tour or whatever. Okay. First, my purse, some chips. There's gonna be 2 kids with us, so some
This my
squishies, yes. Some blueberries,
blueberry.
yes. And some clementines,
Carrot.
2 sagas,
Sucker.
yes. Sunscreen for the kids,
Second, please.
yes. Sunscreen for the adults,
Dog.
beach towels,
There's cows.
and that is it.
That is it. We don't know either. We don't know.
Oh, Mommy's plants fell over, Baba. Mommy's plants fell over. Mommy needs to get that. Zuri, you left your KFC in the back. So, we headed to the beach now. We just picked up Lolo, Zuri's little friend, and it's gonna be time to leave just now. Are you ready?
I'm ready, baby.
The drama.
Zuri knows all too well, baby.
She knows. If it's time, it's time.
I doubt this parking must be fun. Just go in. That means we have to go right round.